to move into a more contemplative part of our service. And the core of that part is a silent meditation. To keep that silence as deep as we can make it, I want you to turn your phones off. It's all right. There's time for you to root around in there, find it, and silence it. And if you've been here for more than just a few weeks, you've heard somebody's phone go off. You don't want to be that guy. I love that. The sound of a phone going off. To open us into this quieter section, we have a reading from Mark Buick.
Good morning. The secret of beginning a life of deep awareness and sensitivity lies in our willingness to pay attention. Our growth as conscious, awake human beings is marked not so much by grand gestures and visible renunciations as by extending loving attention to the minutest particulars of our lives. Every relationship, every thought, every gesture is blessed with meaning through the wholehearted attention we bring to it. In the complexities of our lives, we easily forget the power of attention. Yet without attention, we live only on the surface of existence. It is just simple attention that allows us to truly listen to the song of a bird, to see deeply the glory of an autumn leaf, to touch the heart of another and be touched. We need to be fully present in order to love a single thing wholeheartedly. We need to be fully awake in this moment if we are to receive and respond to the learning inherent in it. Thank you.